nani?
Binamu gweshia kodia yeche hizo ligia kwani. Ndio meta cousins.
Tawa binamu.
Hebu confirm that for me msoni. I think that is gweshia neo asio. Yes, ni binamu.
Oh, cousins.
Sasa binamu huyo.
Binamu huyo nimekataa. Hiyo nimekataa.
No, na binamue.
Hata hiyo nimekataa.
No, how do you refer when you want to do the
binamu wako?
So binamu huyo ni kama mamagu. No, binamuye.
Yeah, that is okay. Binamuye.
Binamuye mdoni.
Lakini binamuyo
mdoni na mabinamuye. Binamuwe.
Haya, hiyo.
Vyama vya mabinamu katika ukingo huu wa bara la Afrika kwa mtindo haswa muungano huo wa mabinamu huanza wakati wa shamra za Krismasi na huanza tuna mmoja ambao huibua hisia hata kusema kwamba ana ati ya moyo kwamba watu hawashirikiani kama ipaswavyo.
Na sio maadili mema.
Sio maadili mema ya jamii kukosa
uhusiano mwema.
Huo umoja huo. Sasa mmoja huibua msaada wa kusema kwamba ni vema na ni bora na ni dhahiri wazi kwamba ni vema wawe na mkataba wa kuangalia mushkil wa jamii. Sio mushkili, mustakabali. Mustakabali ni future.
Okay, niyo nyitaniri.
Wa jamii na siku za usoni. Kwa hivyo hao huunda kongamano la kutembeleana.
Kongamano ni kihana conference.
Okay, muungano.
Better.
Wa kutembeleana na usema hasa watakuwa katika muhula wa kipindi tumia.
Yada idweli.
Ndirangu atiriri.
Yes, please.
Chama cia cousins ri ciatagio kirithimathi andu mainuka
andu macemanio guo mugakenanira mutiirigaine
mwamba mukautho challenge ni baba wanyu mukuru kana munini mukero andu ni menda tutiikaraga atia
tutiikaraga uguo muraikara
twina thoguo ri na nyukwa ya ri ona mukiro album cia mbica ni muona tunyitanire ki maundu ni murakinya mukaharagana muno
ndaguku mutuite ati kuri murigomanaga kuri undu na ndeto yo ti njega
umwaga take up challenge iyo uria uhana ta is opinionated akiwa no guthondeko kia magia cousins gia guceranagira riu kiama kiu gia cousins ri ni kiri metamorphosis and I've been seeing the debate on social media ni kiri metamorphosis and for some reason it replicates the political briefcase parties iria cithuruka hindi ya ithurano
igacoka igathie mute
aje ndo ege cluster go wega muno mukiaji by now kama kiuge sawa todo the front runners ale mako vision carriers muno ni ale mako meigwite kiha gicekeri mako no mwanjie gwakwa coke tuthigwa gathaia kwa muthoni wa Stacy by the time ukija kwa Stacy ri hau ne hore kisingiti haswa
na kizungumkuti
na ati kwanza yes so niwe ngado makoro maika kindu gitagwo ni appraiso self appraiso yake ama ya kazi nikire mwanjirie iria murari guku muyuria ha maugite Easter murari ya burire
ito mwiranaga riu ri tondu hindi twambia ri ni tubange riu giikaro gitu turia mburi Easter
ukaigua ndu mauga atiri yo weiguite ki mundu akauga February ri no turia mburi kiro tutigwo twariki uhoro wa skuru ke
andu mauma January na maundu ki ma February uguo ki
mafithi na ki na ki tuthie April
Easter ini ri icari around how Easter ini riu turia mburi
ai ko mburi iyo group ni yanyu no irathaithanirwo ri It's a red
flag.
Yes.
Boria cousins yanyu ya Easter.
Yes.
Angikorwo tha ici ndiri ironania dalili.
Yes. Aikohe mundu mwai mucerere mweri uyu naugite ni ekuheana namba aikio mbere.
Red flag.
No kona ni atatu ana marauga nie ndikwo
ndikaire
munafaa muipulizie sana wote muhurutire mwaki wake
waroho cio actually officials aria mathurirwo akunyitirira kwa ihinda ri.
Yes.
You should call for a crisis meeting.
Yes.
Yeah, officials
to whip the cousins back into tondu kuringana na utafiti uria wikitwo na ni maratathi nginya mandike
nginya sayo no paper
ciama icio itihuragia ibuku record itihuragia ibuku. Yes. Ukora ibuku ria kinyire page 10 orocio gutiri mundu ota ku explain
exactly what happened.
What transpired. No atia family ta igire kana ithatu cigia otho almost permanent hereditary. Waria twanyitanire ang'ania nio matuharaganirie tondu meiganitie. Ndokaigua mau atiriri aria nao mahana ta chekeri ciao cie nyinga ingiri makauga aria maharaganie ni gutuiguira ki
uiru.
When it gets to that, you're almost having a slow death.
Na tondu naturally andu mambaga kurora aria angiri.
Yes.
Tamba wike assessment we wiki.
Self evaluation.
Ingira group ino ya kasi ni mwafomire December.
Yes.
Urore tondu mukiri na WhatsApp group.
Yes.
Urore how many times you have contributed in that group. Iyo na kwe discussion.
Yes.
Angikorwo ndukinyitie maita matano.
Yes.
Wewe pia ni mmoja wa kuua group.
You are part of the bigger problem. Na thina ukagira riu hari ariri makinya andu makauga enough.
Yes, enough.
Ukaigua riu mathondeka ngurubu ingi eno yagatigwo ikigigi
left to die naturally.
Yes. Umagaikia tumaitho hau kaigua ndamuga hi sasa mambo hi farm
kono ngi niona ni mwakira muno agaikia motivational quote.
Yes. Ungi nake wa macohiri akaigia kindu very inappropriate. It starts a little bit of an activity and then tomorrow you revert back to your
silence.
Yes. Ukamenya he group igi yajirio ni aria riu marona kioneki kirio muoyo.
No. And the like-minded.
No kaigua goro uguo. Hitho yauma. Ukaigua tataguo ka hey. Ona turare na ria tataguo na aria tataguo.
Ku.
Matira kire kuona ngirigwo niki utokire mucemanio.
Mucemanio riku?
Wa kasini mawia ni wa kasini.
Ucio ngadia kiritwo.
Turakire bahati ni ri Juma. Ukiriria kugorora chat icio hari hetanire.
Ukamanya there is a splinter group.
Ukamanya they decided you are a liability. Not limited. But absolute liability. Maegotanuka. Ukathie group ire yate na uka left ni mathata. Aya ngina maka read the rioting
act.
Burio ya Easter murare murieri. It lives to see another moon. And by June, orocio koro wako fofanire wothe. Mukajia rege Christmas.
It's a good thing you kunyitanira.
Yes.
But challenges are many. Some hereditary.
No, actually, you see, the hereditary interfamily cold wars affect those organizations very much. And the last of the generation to carry those mediocre are the millennials. Yes. We are the last of the generation. Differences siasiari
bara cia ndira
yes
na rumena
bara cia rore jaro ruendirio bara cia te mungia tongire muno tigane thoguo munini generation ya mwisho gukua those burdens are the millennials. The Gen Zs don't give a hoot. They don't. They and I'm sure Rosie your family ties. Mugachokyo wega ni Gen Z.
Yes.
You know Gen Zs have a way of doing things very fast. Yes.
Then you see they have the new age thinking.
Yes. You know, as we are very proximal to the land wars.
No, some we have actually seen them.
Yes.
In our younger years.
Some of us have seen our father being chased with a panga by our other father.
Naitimo.
Amo ndole tuone te afa foni magito temera ng'ombe na ruhiu. Kiono hunde tokione?
Tokione te na maitho.
Look at the sustain. You see, there was a commission.
Truth, Justice and Reconciliation Commission.
Yes.
TJRC.
Nyamuo neri to have no family.
TJRC family.
And sometimes, Mugathie wega. Woke iwanya kwa kana thogu aibua akauga nitwahiteirio muno thogu magu ni aragete guthi guthitanga ikuo kia guka guo
cia guka guo ri cia kamwara.
Yes, indo cia guka guo cia Kantafu Cooperative nikura irora
akarurumura
murageretie gweka Mokeria justice and reconciliation, Mokaheo truth. Mokakiro the Mugoro, Moka and Madu and never to a hide,
never to a hide.
I call the new Ragi to and Tiasi my money.
Come on here. How his offspring?
Yes,
are at an men advantage.
Yes. Okay, Mokari can you trade? You get what it to Mugoi. Wagiria guthi niki ogithie day you are incited to disunit
mwabagia wega mwikazi na mukerana atiriri
yes
handu ha tutigwikira aciari
mukauga na aciari maundu mao ni mao tutwikiria moranagia
ma ni maitu
yes ni maitu riu twanjie mwamuko
mpya
huo mwamuko hulala fofofo haraka sana.
Mwamuko huzimwa.
Yes. Okay, gwate metamukire ya gwetirwo. Ni ararehe maundu bari. Ataki ugukirwo.
Ai, comida forte,